Yes, Daddy's preparing dinner for them. Hey, Tabby? Tabby wants fresh dinner. And Tinky? Blaze? Coffee? Doing the coffee stretch. Oh, I just love feeding my babies. I love it when I feed them because they're so content and happy then. Yes, because she's so hungry. She haven't eaten for a whole month. Blaze? Blaze, you want a small taster? Okay, Daddy give you a small taster. Yeah. Okay, come on, down you go. Come, down, down, down. Let you finish up doing dinner. Come on. Wait your turn now. Oh, poor Tabby's having a sneeze attack. You okay, my darling? Come on, Tabby. Tinky? Come on, Blaze. Blaze, want food? Coffee? You want food? Okay. Here we go. Everybody's happy. Come on, get your stroke. Here we go. And Blaze. Here we go. Okay. Everybody's happy. If you're happy, Daddy's happy.